Let's talk iftar recipes. You know, those dishes that make you count the minutes to sunset. For this, we're making my favorite, chicken samosas with a yogurt mint dipping sauce. It's hearty, crispy, and surprisingly easy to pull off. The pain point: samosas can feel intimidating. People picture hours of folding and frying, but the truth? You don't need restaurant-level skills to make them at home. I'll break it down to make it doable and worth every bite. Start with the filling. Dice up 2 chicken breasts into tiny pieces, or shred pre-cooked chicken. Toss them in a pan with onions, garlic, ginger, and a teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, and chili powder. Smells amazing already, right? Here's the kicker. Add chopped cilantro and green chilies when the chicken is nearly done. Pro tip: mix in cubed, boiled potatoes for texture and to stretch the filling. You've just doubled your samosa payload without doubling costs. Now, the wrappers. Don't want to make dough from scratch? No shame. Use store-bought spring roll wrappers. They're thin, crispy, and cut down your prep time by at least 40%. Just thaw them ahead of time and keep them covered with a damp towel. Folding time. Place a spoonful of filling on one end of the wrapper. Fold into a triangle, sealing the edges with a mixture of flour and water. Don't overstuff them. That's how you get explosions in the oil. Nobody wants that drama. Heat your oil to about 350 gores. Fry until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Pro tip: don't overcrowd the pan or you'll lower the oil temperature and your samosas will soak up grease. No one needs soggy samosas. Meanwhile, let's make that dipping sauce. Blend half a cup of plain yogurt, a handful of mint leaves, a clove of garlic, half a green chili, and a splash of lemon juice. This will take 2 minutes tops, but it's a game changer. Here's the moment of truth. Crispy samosas dunked in cool, tangy yogurt mint sauce. This combo is a flavor bomb of spicy, creamy, crunchy perfection that will almost make you forget how hungry you were all day. Almost. The best part? This recipe makes 20 to 25 samosas. So iftar for the family is covered, and you'll probably even have leftovers for the next day. Or maybe not. These disappear fast once they're on the table. Feeling ambitious? Samosas freeze well. Make a big batch, fry half now, and freeze the other half uncooked. Then when you need them, just fry straight from frozen. Zero prep, same delicious crunch. So there you have it. A recipe that feels impressive but doesn't stress you out. Plus you've got some pro tips to sidestep common pitfalls. If your iftar lineup wasn't already popular, it's about to be. You're welcome.